Good morning, children. Today we will deal with the last topic of this chapter, that is economic growth and economic development. Now, what do you mean by economic growth, children? Economic growth is the process where real per capita income of a country increases over a long period of time. All of you know what is per capita income. We have already done in chapter 2. So, per capita income is the average income of the normal residents of a country in a particular year. This means it is the income of per head of population. So we can get this by dividing national income of a country by its total population. And over a long period of time means say 1 year or a particular year, we will find out the per capita income of a particular year. Now, it is compared from one period of time to another. It can be measured in nominal or real terms. So traditionally economic growth is measured in terms of gross national product, that is GNP, or gross domestic product, that is GDP. So simply we can say that economic growth is an increase in the production of goods and services in the economy. Now, next is economic development. Economic development is the process where per capita increases over a long period of time along with reduction of poverty, inequality and unemployment of poverty and unemployment. This means economic development not only means just increase in the real per capita income, but also reduction in poverty, illiteracy and unemployment. So it includes both economic growth as well as social welfare. Now children, our next topic is this difference between economic growth and economic development. Now, economic growth is a narrow concept while economic development is a broader concept. All of you know why this is? Because economic growth relates to only rise in per capita income while economic development relates to economic growth as well as reduction of poverty, inequality, unemployment, etc. Now the second point is economic growth involves an increase in income, while economic development involves not only increase in income but also reduction of poverty, unemployment, etc. Okay. Now third point is economic development is a long term process while economic growth is a short term process. Now the fourth is measurement. Economic development is both quantitative and qualitative terms. Means economic growth involves development involves not only quantitative but also qualitative, means not only in increase in income but also reduction in poverty, unemployment, etc. While economic growth involves only quantitative terms, means only increase in income. Clear? Now the fifth point is what is related to. Economic development is related to underdeveloped and developing countries of the world. This means economic development related to the problems faced by the present day developing countries, whereas economic growth is related to the developed countries of the world. This means economic growth relates to the problem faced by the developed countries.